Namaskar. My name is Divya Nathani. I'm a yoga teacher and a personal counselor with the Yoga Institute Mumbai, which is the oldest organized center for learning and teaching and practicing yoga. Today we will talk about what humans have been looking for forever. And what is that? We are always looking for happiness. And a common person, someone like you and I, the general feeling is, why is it so difficult to find happiness in our lives? Let's have a look at why we find it so difficult. If you notice what is it that brings us happiness, you will see that generally it will be some object, some possession, some relationship, being in company of someone, a place that brings us joy, pleasure, and we associate the idea of happiness with all these external factors. The only issue with this kind of thinking is that the moment we are away from this object, this person, this location, or whatever it is that brings us happiness, we feel this idea of separation, and that is when we start feeling unhappy all over again. And then this search, this quest for happiness begins all over again. Yoga talks about searching for happiness in the present moment, wherever we are, whatever we are doing, in company of whoever is around us, or even if nobody else is around us. Yoga talks about looking for joy in everything that we do, in smallest tasks that we do, instead of postponing it to a later point or looking for it in future. When I have this, when I go there, when I am with so and so. So yoga talks about being in the present moment. You will notice that our emotions go away from happiness the moment we are thinking about anything that we did in the past, which makes us sad or which makes us regret how I wish I did this a different way. I could have or should have done this or that. So being in the past, dwelling in the past is going to bring us unhappiness. And thinking of future, whether this will happen this way or that way, am I going to get what I'm trying for? Thinking about the future is going to make us anxious. Again, a state of mind which is away from the idea of happiness. So to truly feel happy, to truly enjoy the state of happiness, we must learn to find joy in everything that we are doing in the present moment. Every technique in yoga targets exactly this point of bringing our mind back to the here and now, the only place, the only moment where life really exists, because past is gone and there is nothing we can do about it anymore. The future is not yet here. We don't know what it's going to bring. We don't know how it is going to unfold. We can only hope for the best in the future. But our present moment is what we have right now. And yoga talks about being fully present right now, right here. Unfortunately, most of us are unfortunately living the kind of lives where we are physically present somewhere but mentally elsewhere. Our emotions are all over the place, and therefore you can call this kind of a personality very disintegrated. And therefore the idea of yoga, union of bringing our body, mind, emotions, everything in the present moment is the starting point to finding happiness. If I were to share a simple example from my own experience here at the Yoga Institute with Ma Hansaji, I remember once I was sharing with her something that was making me very, very unhappy, and how till that point of time my life was absolutely fine. And Ma very nicely explained in a very simple sentence which is etched in my mind. She said, "Look, Divya, when everything is going fine, it's very easy to be happy. What is the big deal? It is only when you are in challenging times, when you're facing difficulties. Are you able to look for happiness at that moment? Are you able to consciously become a happy person at that moment? That is when you would have really achieved something." So let us all strive to be in this frame of mind. Let us all try to be in the present moment, physically, mentally, emotionally, in every possible way. Let's try to be an integrated person. Let's try to be here and now, and then we will see that it's not at all difficult to find happiness in our lives. Namaste.